When you receive a last minute invitation to a date or a cool party, the wish to refuse can be strong because your working day has been etched on your face. Luckily, you can use some makeup tricks to be the star of the evening. Muskarati Zindagi has collected some recommendations that will help you freshen up your face quickly. Number 1, a mask for radiant skin. Instead of wasting time masking your face with foundation, it is better to take 15 minutes to help your skin recover. To get the best out of remediation remedies, you should first cleanse your skin well. For this, there is a cool mask which will cleanse your pores and remove blackheads. To make the mask, pour 2-3 tablespoons of milk into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Let it soak for some time. Microwave the mixture for 30 seconds or until the mixture takes on a creamy consistency. When the mixture is turbulent yet warm, carefully apply it to your face. Let the mask dry and then peel it off gently. Number 2, get rid of blackheads in 10 minutes. If you need to remove blackheads, you can use a quick mask. Combine honey and cumin until you get a paste. Apply it in a skinny layer over the blackheads and place a strip of clean cotton over it. Remove it after 5 minutes and rinse your face. Number 3, quick restoring mask. You can use a prepared mask to pamper your tired skin, or you can make this mask yourself. We are sure you already have some of the ingredients in your fridge. For dull and lifeless skin, mix apple juice with honey, apply a thin layer to your face and leave it for 5 minutes. For dark circles and puffy eyes, you can use a simple potato. Finely grate 1 potato, apply to the area under your eyes and leave it on for 15 minutes. To tone dry skin, make a mask with curd and sour cream. For oily skin, you can mix a whisked egg white, olive oil and several drops of lemon juice. For normal skin, a mask with banana and grapefruit is a good option. Irritated skin can be calmed down with a buttermilk mask. Just apply it to your face for 15 minutes. Number 4, apply several masks at the same time. Whether you have combination skin or you want to treat multiple issues at once, the simultaneous use of several masks is a great solution. Moisturize your skin correctly. To make your face look fresh for the whole evening, you should moisturize it well. For this, you need to choose the right type of product. For dry skin, creams with a beeswax base are good choice. The cream should not contain water. For oily skin, you should be use lighten emulsion and fluids which contain natural silicone. For normal and combination skin, creams with minerals, oils and dimethone are good moisturizers. Removing dark circles from under the eyes. To mask different imperfections, try color correcting. Green will neutralize any inflammations. Peach and pink colors will brighten up your dull skin. Yellow will mask muscular spots or small scars. Orange will help to mask dark circles under your eyes. If color correction is not enough to get rid of those dark circles, you can try applying wet tea bags to your under eye area. After that, mask the rest with a concealer. Apply the concealer not in a half circle shape right under your eyes but in a inverted triangle shape. Self tan in 15 minutes. To get a really cool tan, you do not need to go to a solarium. You can create a toning cream by mixing your favorite moisturizing cream with cocoa. Keep in mind that the mixture should be a little darker than the desired shade. Quick curls for long hair. This advice will help you curl long hair fast. Just twist part of your hair and slide a hair straightener along it. An Elaine hairdo in 5 minutes. If you think that doing your hair is a 30-minute or 1-hour event, then you might be mistaken. You can easily find much quicker options from various bloggers. For example, an elegant twisted bun will take 5 to 10 minutes of your time. The secret of thick hair. You can easily create a perfect ponytail in 5 minutes as well as other fast and simple hairdos. Mirror chrome nails in 10 minutes. If you do not have time for visiting nail salons, there is a win-win solution which will always look relevant, and that solution is mirror nails. For mirror nails, you do not need to use a special nail polish. You can simply buff chrome powder glitter onto your gel nails. And here it is, a 5-minute manicure. You can also apply glitter to the tip of your nail for an excellent French manicure. Apply powder through a tissue. Heavy makeup and foundation can worsen the condition of your skin. Instead, it is better to use light moistures and transparent face powders. Alternatively, you can apply your UL powder through a tissue. The powder layer will be as light as if you aren't wearing at any towel. Highlight correctly. A highlighter can mean a lot to us. It is not necessary to contour your face completely. You can simply highlight your nose lines, cheeks, and the areas around your brows and lips. A thick layer of blusher is not something you need. A slight touch of the brush or a little liquid blusher will be more than enough. Ideal brows. You can get ideal brows by following 3 main rules. Do not make them too square. Blend your eye pencil properly and do not make your arches too long. Plumping your lips. To make your lips look stunning, you can plump them with the help of a toothbrush, sugar, cinnamon, and olivia oil. Apply sugar to a toothbrush, then gently scrub your lips. After this, apply a mixture of cinnamon and olivia oil. Vaseline for your breasts. If you want to retain the shape of your breasts, rub Vaseline on them very night before going to bed. After 2 weeks, you will notice that the skin has become more elastic and moisturized and is generally firmer. Thanks for watching.